In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set response limits in Google Forms. Setting a response limit is helpful when you only want a certain number of people to submit your form. For example, you might be collecting registrations for an event with limited seats or accepting applications up to a fixed capacity. Once the limit is reached, Google Forms will automatically stop accepting new submissions, so you do not have to monitor responses manually. To begin, open the Google form that you want to control. Make sure you are in the editor view where you can see your questions and settings. When you are ready, go to the top right area of the page and click the Publish button. This is where you manage how your form is shared and how responses are collected. After you click Publish, look for the section labeled Accepting Responses. This area controls whether people can submit the form right now and includes options for restricting submissions. In that Accepting Responses section, find and click the link that says Set Close Date or Response Limit. Clicking this opens the controls you need to limit submissions based on a specific rule. Now you will choose your restriction. For this tutorial, you will use the option that limits responses by count. Turn on the setting labeled After a number of responses. Once it is toggled on, you will be able to enter a maximum number. Type in the exact number of submissions you want to allow. Choose a number that matches your capacity, because once this number is reached, the form will stop taking new responses automatically. Take a moment to double-check the number you entered. A simple typo can cause the form to close too early or allow more submissions than you intended. If you are coordinating something time-sensitive, it also helps to set this up before you share the form link, so the limit is in place from the start. When everything looks correct, click Save. This confirms your response limit and applies it to the form. From this point forward, Google Forms will enforce the maximum submission count for you. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.